circle. In this topic, we are going to learn equation of the circle when radius and center are given, and general equation of the circle, and equation of the circle when the end points of a diameter are given. So, we are going to learn in these three cases. So, this is our well known definition of circle. A circle is a locus of a point which moves in such a way that its distance from a fixed point is always constant. Okay. So, circle is the locus of the point, that is the movement of the point which moves with the same distance from another fixed point. That fixed point is called the circle and center of the circle, and constant distance is the radius of the circle. It is a usual definition. Now, here C is the center and P is a point on the circle, that means on the perimeter of the circle. Okay. The coordinates of C is H and K because it lies on the plane. So, H and K, and R be the radius of the circle, and P is the point lies on the circle, P of x comma y. So, we have to frame the equation of the circle. What is the distance between C and P? It is our radius, right? The distance between the center and a point, and it is our radius. Okay. So, how will you calculate the distance between C and P? We use our distance formula. The coordinates of C are h comma k and P is x comma y. So, h, x minus h the whole square plus y minus k the whole square is equal to r square. Our radius is the equation of the circle. In particular, if the center is at the origin, the equation of the circle is x square plus y square is equal to r square. If center is at the origin, that means the coordinates origin and 0, 0 point. Okay. So, if it is the center is at the origin, then the equation of the circle coordinates h and k is 0 idom. So, x minus 0 the whole square plus y minus 0 the whole square, that is equal to x square plus y square is equal to r square, and it is the equation of the circle if the center and radius are given. Now, equation of the circle when the endpoints of a diameter are given. What is a diameter? A diameter is the longest chord of a circle that goes along with the center. Okay, center cross panni pogum. Longest chord than diameter. Okay, so here A of x1, y1, B of x2, y2 are the endpoints of a diameter. So, what is the equation of the circle now? X minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equal to 0, and it is the required equation. If the endpoints or extremities of a diameter are given, we can use this formula. Now, the general equation of the circle, the most important. The general equation of the circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0, where g, f and c are constants. Okay. So, here when we are using this equation, the general equation of the circle, the center is minus g and minus f, and radius is g square plus f square minus c square root. Okay, square root of g square plus f square minus c. This is the general equation of the circle. So, parametric form of a circle. So, x is equal to r cos theta, y is equal to r sin theta. So, the parametric equation of the circle is x square plus y square is equal to r square, and theta ranges from 0 to 2 pi. This is the parametric form of a circle. Now, our first example. Find the equation of the circle with center at 3 and minus 1 and radius is 4 units. equation of the circle when the center and radius is given x minus h the whole square plus y minus k the whole square is equal to r square. Okay, so h comma k, that is 3 comma minus 4. It is the center and radius r is equal to 4. So, in the given equation, you have to substitute the values and change it and calculate it or bring it in a algebraic expression. Okay. So, x minus 3 the whole square plus y plus 1 the whole square is equal to 16. So, a minus b the whole square formula, here a plus b the whole square formula, you have to expand that and you have to add the like terms, and this is the equation of the circle. Find the equation of the circle with center at origin and radius is 3 units. If the center is at origin, then equation of the circle is x square plus y square is equal to r square. So, here our radius is 3 units. So, r is equal to 3. So, equation of the circle is x square plus y square is equal to 3 square. 3 square is 9. The 19th one, find the equation of the circle when the end points of a diameter are given. If the end points are given, we are having a separate formula for the equation of the circle, isn't it? The end points of the diameter. So, we can take it as x1 and y1 and this as x2 and y2. So, we can substitute that values in this equation or in this general form and you can get the value. So, x minus 2 and x minus 3 plus y minus 4 into y plus 2 is equal to 0. After simplifying this, you will get this equation. You have to multiply these two factors and these two factors, then you can add them and write it in a single form. 20th, find the center and radius of the circle x square plus y square minus 8x plus 6y minus 24 is equal to 0. So, this is the given equation of the circle. We have to find the center and radius, and this is similar to our general form of the circle. What is our general form? General form of the circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Okay, you can compare both the equations. So, 2g is equal to minus 8, 2f is equal to 6 and c is equal to minus 24. If 2g is equal to minus 8, g is equal to minus 4. If 2f is equal to 6, f is equal to 3. Okay, and c is minus 24. So, if we are using the general equation of the circle, the center is minus g minus f. So, minus g minus f, 4 and minus 3. Minus g na minus of minus 4. Okay, so it is 4. Minus f means minus 3. Now, the radius formula, g square plus f square minus c. So, square root of 16 plus 9 minus of minus, it will be plus 24. So, while adding it, it is 49. So, square root of 49 is equal to 7 units. So, second problem in exercise 3.4, find the center and radius of the circle. First one is x square plus y square is equal to 16. We can write it as x square plus y square is equal to 4 square. That is x square plus y square is equal to r square. So, here r is equal to 4 units. That is the radius. What about the center? Here it is just x square and y square. So, if the center is the origin, then this is the format of the equation of the circle. So, here center is origin, that is 0 comma 0. Okay. Third one, 5x square plus 5y square plus 4x minus 8y minus 16 is equal to 0. Here for x square and y square we have 5 as the coefficient. If there is no coefficient, then we can compare the equation directly. But here the coefficient is 5. So we have to divide the whole equation by 5. While dividing it by 5, we get x square plus y square plus 4 by 5 x minus 8 by 5 y minus 16 divided by 5 is equal to 0. Now we can compare these two equations. This is the general form of the circle. X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. While comparing these two, we get 2g is equal to 4 by 5. 2f is equal to minus 8 by 5. And c is equal to minus 16 divided by 5. Now we have to find the center and radius of the circle. Okay, here what is g? G is equal to 4 by 10. F is equal to minus 8 by 10. So center is equal to minus g minus f. That is the general form of the center is minus g minus f. So minus 2 by 5 and minus f. So it is minus of minus, right? Minus of minus 4 by 5. But minus and minus it will be equal to plus. So center is 4 by 5. Now radius. Radius is equal to square root of g square plus f square minus c. So we have to substitute the values. So g is 2 by 5. So 2 by 5 the whole square. F is minus 4 by 5. So minus 4 by 5 the whole square. Minus, what is our c? It is 16, minus 16 by 5. Minus 16 by 5. So here it is 4 by 25. It is 16 by 25. Again minus and minus will become plus. So it is 16 by 5. Now we have to take 25 as LCM. So 25. So 4 plus 16. Here we have to multiply the denominator by 5 as well the numerator. So it is 16 5s are 80. So while multiplying, while adding all this number, 6 plus 4 plus 16 plus 80 you will get 100. So 100 by 25, that is equal to square root of 4. 4 times that. So square root of 4 and it is equal to 2. So the radius is 4 units. So fourth one, find the center and radius of the circle and the equation is given. Okay, so here you have to multiply the factors. You have to multiply the factors and make it a single expression, and then you can compare it with the equation of the circle and you can find the center and radius. Okay, can you understand? First you have to multiply the factors and then make it as a single equation, then compare it with the equation of the circle and complete this problem. Okay. Third question, find the equation of the circle whose center is minus 3 minus 2 and having the circumference 16 pi. Okay, so center is given, circumference is given. We have to find the equation of the circle. So what is the center here? Minus 3 minus 2. Usually we take center as h comma k. So here h is minus 3 and k is minus 2. Now another value is given and it is circumference. To find the equation of the circle, we need center as well as the radius. Okay. So with the value of circumference, we can find the radius. What is the formula to calculate the circumference of the circle? It is 2 pi r. So 2 pi r is equal to 16 pi. So r is equal to 16 pi divided by 2 pi. So we get 8 units. R is equal to 8 units. What is the equation of the circle? X minus h the whole square plus y minus k the whole square is equal to r square. Okay. Now so x, what is our h? Our minus 3, h is minus 3. So minus of minus it is plus. So, x plus 3 the whole square plus again y, our k is minus 2, minus of minus it will be plus, the whole square is equal to 8 square. Now, we have to expand it. So, x square plus 6x plus 9 plus y square plus 4y plus 4 is equal to 8 8s are 64. We can rewrite it as x square plus y square plus 6x plus 4y, 9 plus 4 it is 13 and it is minus 64 is equal to 0. So, it is x square plus y square plus 6x plus 4y, 13 minus 64. So, while subtracting you get 51 and the bigger sign carries negative sign. So, it is minus 51 is equal to 0 and it is the equation of the circle. So, fourth question, find the equation of the circle whose center is 2, 3 and which passes through 1, 4. So, center is given and another point 1, 4 is also given. Okay, a point on the circumference. Okay, so it is 2, 3 is the center and a point it may be 1, 4, it may lie here. So, we have to find the equation of the circle. So, given center is 2, 3. How do we denote center? We used to denote center as h, k. So, h is equal to 2 and k is equal to 3. Okay. Now, we need radius to find the equation of the circle. How can we find radius? Center is given, a point on the circumference is also given. What is the radius? Distance between these 2 points are called as radius. Distance between center and a point on the circumference is known as the radius. So, if we find the distance between these 2 points, that's the radius, right? And we know the formula to find the distance between 2 points, that is equal to or is equal to square root of x1 minus x2 the whole square plus y1 minus y2 the whole square. Our known formula to find the distance between 2 points. To calculate the distance between 2 points, we use this formula frequently here also. You may studied it in 10th standard. So, r is equal to x1 minus x2 the whole square plus y1 minus y2 the whole square, that is equal to 2 minus 1 the whole square plus 3 minus 4 the whole square. So, what is 2 minus 1? It is 1 and 1 square. Similarly, okay, 3 minus 4 it is minus 1 the whole square. So, 1 plus 1 it is equal to square root 2 units. R is equal to root 2 units. 1 plus 1 it is 2. So, square root of 2, root 2 units. Now, we can find the equation of the circle. So, what is the equation of the circle? That is x minus h the whole square plus y minus k the whole square is equal to r square. So, x minus 2 the whole square plus y minus 3 the whole square, h and k are 2 and 3 is equal to root 2 square. Root 2 square is equal to 2. So, now we can expand and calculate the equation of the circle in our usual method. So, x square plus 2x, minus, x square minus 2x plus 4 plus y square minus 6x plus 9 minus 2 is equal to 0. I bring 2 to the opposite side, equal to x square plus y square minus 2x minus 6, here it is y, isn't it? 6y. So 4 plus 9 it is 13. 13 minus 2 it is 11. So plus 11 is equal to 0, and it is the equation of the, here it is not 2x lama, 4x. So 4x minus 6y plus 11 is equal to 0, and it is the equation of the given circle. Find the equation of the circle on the line joining the points 1, 0, 0, 1 and having its center on the line x plus y is equal to 1. Okay, so we have to find the equation of the circle, and the circle passes through these points 1, 0, 0, 1, and its center is on the line x plus y is equal to 1, and these 2 points are also lying on the line. Okay, so if the center is not given, we have to find the equation of the circle. We use general equation of the circle formula only we will use. Okay, points கொடுத்துட்டாங்கனாலே general equation க்கு போய்டுவோம். Okay, வெறுமனே ரேடியஸும் சென்டரும் கொடுத்திருந்தாங்கன்னா தான் அந்த previous first formula யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம். Okay, so here x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. For this equation, the center is minus g and minus f. First, it passes through 1, 0, okay, and 0, 1. So, we have to frame equations for that. So, it passes through 1, 0. So, this circle passes through this point. So, we have to substitute these values in the general equation of the circle. Instead of x, I have to substitute 1, and instead of y, I have to substitute 0. So, we will mark this equation as 1, and 1 becomes 1 square. So, it is 1 plus 0, y is 0. So, 0 square, so it is 0 plus 2gx. So, x is 1, so it will become 2g plus 2fy. As y is 0, it is 0 plus c is equal to 0. So, that implies 2g plus c is equal to minus 1, and it is our equation 2. 2g plus c, this 1 while going to the other side, it will become minus 1. Now, it passes through another point and it is 0, 1. So, again 1 implies. Now, I have to substitute 0 for x and 1 for y. So, it implies 0 plus y square, it is 1 plus 2g into 0. So, again 0 plus 2f into y. So, it is 2f plus c is equal to 0. This equation becomes 2f plus c is equal to minus 1, and it is our equation 3. Now, it is given that the center lies on the line x plus y is equal to 1. What is the center? Minus g and minus f is the center, and it lies on the line x plus y is equal to 1. So, that implies instead of x is minus g, instead of y it is minus f. So, minus g minus f is equal to 1, and it is our equation 4. Okay, now we have to solve these 3 equations, and we have to find the values for g, f and c. Okay, so first shall we solve this 2? So, equation 2 minus equation 3. While subtracting this, equation 2 is 2g plus c is equal to minus 1, and equation 3 is 2f plus c is equal to minus 1. We are subtracting equation 3. So, I will change the sign. So, plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled, plus c minus c get cancelled. It is 2g minus 2f is equal to 0. That implies 2g equal to 2f. That implies f is equal to g, or g is equal to f. Okay, now we can substitute this value in equation 4. Equation 4 implies minus g minus f is equal to 1. So, it becomes minus g minus, instead of f I substitute g, is equal to 1. So, that implies minus 2g equal to 1. So, g is equal to minus 1 by 2. As g and f are equal, f is also equal to minus 1 by 2. Now, we have to find the value of c. So, equation 3 implies 2f plus c equal to minus 1. So, 2 into, instead of f, it is minus 1 by 2 plus c is equal to minus 1. 2 to get cancelled, that implies minus 1 plus c is equal to minus 1. That implies c is equal to 0. Okay, minus 1 poidum. So, g is equal to minus 1 by 2, f is equal to minus 1 by 2 and c is equal to 0. Now, we can substitute these values in the general equation of the circle. So, now we can substitute the values of f, g and c in our equation 1. Okay, what's our equation 1? X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. So, x square plus y square plus 2 into g minus 1 by 2 x plus 2 into, what is our f? Minus 1 by 2 into y plus 0. C is 0, it is equal to 0. So, 2 to get cancelled, again 2 to get cancelled here. So, our equation becomes x square plus y square minus x minus y is equal to 0. That is our equation of the circle. If the lines x plus y equal to 6 and x plus 2y equal to 4 are diameters of the circle and the circle passes through the point 2, 6, find the equation of the circle. So, here the two lines, that means the diameters are given. What do you know about the diameters? A circle, in a circle we can draw many diameters, but all diameters intersect at one point. What is that point? And it is the center of the circle. Now, in this diagram, D1 and D2 are the two diameters and it passes through the center. So, these two lines are intersects at center C. So, we have to find the x coordinate and y coordinate of this by solving these two equations. We know we could able to find the center of the circle. So, this is our equation 1 and it's our equation 2. So, we can solve it by changing the sign. Okay, so x and minus x will get cancelled, y minus 2y. So, it is minus y is equal to 6 minus 4, 2. So, minus y is equal to 2, that implies y is equal to minus 2. Now, we can substitute this value in equation 1. So, x instead of y you have to substitute minus 2. X minus 2 is equal to 6. That implies x is equal to 6 plus 2, that is 8. So, the center is x coordinate and y coordinate, that is x comma y, 8 comma minus 2 and it is our h comma k. Okay. So, we have found the center and another point on the circle is also given. With these 2 points we can calculate the radius of the circle. So, if the center and radius is given, we write the center radius formula only. Equation of the circle, we have to write the center radius equation, that is x minus h the whole square plus y minus k the whole square is equal to r square. This is our h comma k. For center radius formula, we take center as h comma k only. Okay, so it is x minus 8 the whole square plus y minus k, that is y minus of minus plus 2 the whole square is equal to r square. Okay, so x minus 8 the whole square plus y plus 2 the whole square is equal to r square. And this circle, this is the equation of the circle. So, this circle passes through the point 2 comma 6. Okay, so so instead of x and y, I can find the distance between these 2 points and find the radius also, or else if I substitute this point, instead of x if I substitute 2, instead of y if I substitute 6, there also I get the radius. Okay, 2 minus 8 the whole square, that is minus 6 the whole square, and it is 36 plus 6 plus 2 the whole square, that is 6 plus 2 is 8, 8 square is 64 is equal to r square. So, r square is equal to 100, that implies r is equal to 10 units. Okay. Now, we have to find the equation of the circle. So, substitute r in our equation 3. We get x minus 8 the whole square plus y plus 2 the whole square is equal to 10 square, and it is 100. Okay. So, x square plus minus minus 16x plus 64 plus y square plus 4y plus 4 minus 100 is equal to 0. So, x square plus y square minus 16x plus 4y. Here 64 plus 4, it is 68. 68 minus 100, it is our minus 32 is equal to 0, and this is the required equation of the circle. 25th example, find the equation of the circle passing through the points 0, 0, 1, 2 and 2, 0. Let the equation of the circle be x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. This is our general equation of the circle. If a point goes through, if the circle goes through the point, then we can substitute that values as x and y in the given equation. So, here it is 0, 0. So, x is 0 and y is also equal to 0. So, you can substitute 0 for x and 0 for y. Okay. So, this equation becomes 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus c is equal to 0. That implies c is equal to 0. What is the second point? It is 1, 2. Now, the circle passes through the point 1, 2. So, here also, instead of x you have to substitute 1 and instead of y you have to substitute 2. Okay. So, x square na 1 square, 1 square. Y square na 2 square, 2 plus 2g into x ku 1. 2fy into, for y you have to substitute 2. So, 2g plus 4f plus c, here 1 plus 4 it is 5, while going to the opposite side it is minus 5. So, now the third point it is 2, 0. Similarly, we are going to substitute 2 and 0 in the given general form of the equation, and here we get the equation 3 as 4g plus c is equal to minus 4. So, on the equation x க்கு பதிலா 2 y க்கு பதிலா 0 substitute பண்ணும்போது நமக்கு இந்த equation கிடைக்குது. Okay, now we have to solve the equations. If you substitute the value c is equal to 0 in 3, you will get g. Right? C க்கு 0 போடும்போது 4g equal to minus 4. So, g is equal to minus 4 by 4. So, g is equal to minus 1. Now, you know the value of g and 0, c. So, If you substitute these two values in this equation too, then you will get the value of f also. Now, the equation of the circle, that is equal to x square plus y square plus 2 into g க்கு பதிலா என்ன போட்டிருக்காங்க இந்த ஈக்குவேஷன்ல g க்கு பதிலா -1 plus 2 into instead of f here minus 3 by 4 into y is plus instead of c it is 0 is equal to 0. So x square plus y square minus 2x minus 6y, so sorry not 6y, 2 and 2 4 will get cancelled, so it is minus 3y, 3 by 2y plus z is equal to 0. Now take 2 as LCM and the whole equation becomes like this. Ninth one, find the Cartesian equation of the circle whose parametric equations are x is equal to 3 cos theta, y is equal to 3 sin theta, where theta is equal to, theta ranges over 0 to 2 pi. Now we have to find the Cartesian equation of the circle. So x square plus y square. What is our x? It is our 3 cos theta square plus 3 sin theta square, that is 9 cos square theta plus 9 sin square theta, 9 into cos square theta plus sin square theta, and it is equal to 1, that is equal to 9. So x square plus y square is equal to 9. This is the Cartesian equation of the circle.